So we arrived here in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands.
Yes, we just landed.
Woo! Alan,
Love
explain them. I will start the beginning of the story, and then you tell your part of the story, okay? So in 2013, me and Alan, we were here in US, we were doing like trainings and stuff, and we became great friends, one helping each other. After that, I think 2 years after that, right?
Yeah.
He came to my place and I told him, hey man, we should buy something, we should invest in like properties and let's do something together, we are like buddies. And I told him we should have something like a beach house in the Caribbean. That's it. I started to research, I learned a lot about all the islands I went to, most of them, Puerto Rico, Bahamas, US Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islands, Seychelles, everything. 1 month ago, from nowhere, he got back and told me, oh, remember you told me for us to do it? Yeah, I'm ready, let's do it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh,
What clicked in your brain?
well, I was watching all those shows, about Caribbean and stuff, and with the COVID and everything. And we're getting close to their retirement, and we're still young, so it's time for us to start building a house that will host their friends and their family. And then we can have like Christmas and
Fun, right?
yeah, and have fun and be there more often.
And then guess what? I have been researching for 2 years and why we choose US Virgin Islands. Because here they have all the infrastructure. They are like Caribbean. The ocean is gorgeous, beautiful, but they have infrastructure. They have the laws and regulations that help us as like American citizens. And you have like finance, loans, and everything that helps us. And I had already in mind a perfect lot, and I would buy myself. But then I told him, man, I have everything ready. I was planning this trip by myself, and he came like, okay, let's join. And I said, yeah, let's do it together. And that's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna get a plane from St. Thomas to St. Croix. Because I was talking that we are going to St. Croix or St. Croix, like the French people would pronounce it like that. But first we got this kind of international type of plane from like mainland continent to US Virgin Islands here in St. Thomas. That is actually smaller than St. Croix. St. Croix is the biggest of the US Virgin Islands compared to St. Thomas and St. John. They are smaller and it has infrastructure and it doesn't have like that kind of touristic kind of feel. It's more like island vibe. Follow us.